English Shorthand Dictation 60 words per minute, May 1982 B. Start. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of yesterday's date and thank you for your inquiry. We are pleased to say that we can supply carpets, curtains, and the furniture such as you propose to use in the 17th century house which you have bought in your city during the past few years. We have specialized considerably in the manufacture of furniture for old houses, and in order to achieve the best results and to give the greatest satisfaction of our customers, we enjoy experts in design. We are sending under separate cover a full illustrated catalog which will give you a good idea of the styles of furniture which we make. We need hardly say that we also stock carpets and curtain materials which are in keeping with the furniture. Our experience is that the best method of procedure is for a customer to supply us with the dimensions of the rooms, or preferably to allow us to inspect the house for which the furniture is required, and then for him to arrange to visit our showroom in High Street, where we have model rooms on a small scale that convey an adequate idea of our first class workmanship and the close attention we pay to artistic effect combined with sound utility. We shall therefore esteem a favor if you will either supply us with details of sizes, of suggest a date upon which it will be possible for us to visit your city to see the house. As suppliers with a long experience of all branches of the trade, we are confident that we can offer you at every reasonable prices furniture which will appeal to you, and we trust that you will not hesitate to take full advantage of the special facilities we offer